The all-new 2026 BMW M5 has arrived, and it's nothing short of a revolution in the world of high-performance sedans. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold leap forward that redefines what a luxury sports sedan can be. In today's video from the Next Gen Garage, we're diving deep into every detail of the brand new M5, its performance, design, interior, efficiency, and pricing. So buckle up and let's explore why this car might just be the benchmark for the next generation of performance vehicles. Starting with performance, the 2026 BMW M5 is a powerhouse that blends raw power with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood lies a plug-in hybrid powertrain, pairing a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor, producing an astonishing 717 horsepower and over 730 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid system isn't just about speed, it's about control, efficiency, and balance. The car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds, putting it on par with some of the fastest sports cars in the world, yet it remains a 4-door sedan with practicality for daily driving. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring maximum grip whether you're pushing it hard on a racetrack or navigating slippery roads. The adaptive suspension, precise steering, and advanced braking system give the M5 that signature BMW feel, sharp, engaging, and incredibly refined. It's a driver's car through and through, but now more versatile than ever before. Moving on to the exterior design, BMW has given the M5 a bold new look that's aggressive yet undeniably elegant. The signature kidney grills are now larger, but sleeker, perfectly integrated into a muscular front fascia with sharp LED headlights. The sculpted hood lines, flared wheel arches, and aerodynamic side skirts make it clear this isn't just any 5 Series. It's an M5 built to dominate. At the rear, you'll find quad exhaust tips, a subtle diffuser, and a sleek lip spoiler that all hint at its performance DNA. The overall stance is lower, wider, and more planted, giving it a commanding presence on the road. BMW also offers a range of striking paint options and lightweight alloy wheel designs that emphasize its sporty character. This is a sedan that doesn't just look fast standing still, it radiates confidence and power from every angle. Inside, the 2026 M5 blends luxury and cutting-edge tech seamlessly. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted by BMW's latest curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into a single, sleek panel. Powered by BMW's iDrive 8.5 system, it offers crystal-clear graphics, intuitive controls, and even augmented reality navigation. The seats are designed for both comfort and performance, featuring premium leather, contrast stitching, and multi-way adjustments to keep you supported whether you're cruising or cornering hard. Ambient lighting, carbon fiber trim, and customizable drive modes add to the futuristic vibe of the cabin. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either, with generous legroom and luxury touches that make this a genuine family-friendly super sedan. Plus, advanced driver assistance systems ensure that long trips are not only thrilling, but also safe and effortless. When it comes to efficiency, the 2026 BMW M5 sets a new standard for performance sedans. Thanks to its plug-in hybrid setup, it offers an electric-only driving range of around 25-30 miles, perfect for city commuting without burning a drop of fuel. Yet when you want the full thrill, the V8 engine comes alive, seamlessly blending with the electric motor to deliver mind-blowing acceleration. This dual nature makes the M5 both eco-conscious and performance-driven, appealing to enthusiasts who also care about sustainability. Fuel economy numbers are significantly better than the previous generation, meaning you get more performance without compromising on efficiency, a rare achievement in this segment. Finally, let's talk pricing. The all-new 2026 BMW M5 is expected to start around $120,000, with higher trims and additional performance packages pushing it closer to $140,000. While that's a premium price, it's important to remember what you're getting: supercar level performance, daily usability, cutting-edge technology, and the prestige of the M badge. For many buyers, that combination makes it worth every penny. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW M5 isn't just a car, it's a statement.